Welcome to this video on building RESTful APIs with ASP.NET Core. In today's world, APIs are the backbone of modern applications. REST or Representational State Transfer is one of the most widely used architectural styles for building APIs. A RESTful API allows applications to communicate over HTTP using standard methods like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. RESTful APIs are stateless, meaning each request from a client contains all the necessary information, making them scalable and efficient. ASP.NET Core is a powerful, lightweight framework for building APIs. It runs on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, making it highly versatile. Its high performance, built-in dependency injection, and middleware support make API development easier and more maintainable. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with the OpenAPI, making it easy to document and test API. Before we start coding, let us make sure we have the right tools. You will need the .NET SDK to build ASP.NET Core applications. Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code is required for development. Postman is a great tool for testing APIs, and Swagger UI helps with the API documentation. If you are working with the databases, SQL Server or SQLite can be used. Let us start by creating an ASP.NET Core Web API project. Open Visual Studio, click Create a new project, and make sure to choose the latest .NET version. Select Use Controllers to follow the traditional API approach. Once the project is created, you will see different folders. The controller folder contains API endpoints. The models folder is where we define our data structure. Services handle business logic, and program.cs is the entry point of our application, configuring services and middleware. When we run the project, Swagger UI automatically opens. This helps us test API endpoints without using external tools. The default project includes a sample weather forecast API. Now, let us create a simple CRUD API. We will define a product model and build a product controller. This controller will have endpoints for retrieving all products and adding new products. We can test our API using Swagger or Postman. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. I appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next tutorial.